Hello guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I will show you how to use Google Chrome tab groups to organize research. So in order to use them guys, you need to open up your first tab, right, whatever that is. In my case, in this video, I will just work with YouTube. So on YouTube, you just right click on the tab right here with your mouse, and then choose Add Tab to a new group right here. Click this. And now guys, the context menu will appear where you can just input the name for your group. I'll just name it test and then choose a color for it as well. Let's use this one and then just click away like this. There you go. And then in order to place other tabs under this particular group, you just need to open up a certain tab and then just move it here like this. And then another video, for example, like this. And now as you can see, all of them light up under this one orange line. So if you want to check, just press on here, and now as you can see, they're all hidden and not open anymore. And if I click here, I will open them once again. And you can, of course, create multiple groups, rename them, give them different colors, and organize your research this way. Pretty good stuff. That is it. Enjoy. If this helped, subscribe.